Hi, and welcome to Number Analytics tutorial. I'm Julia Han, and I'm the data analyst for Number Analytics. Today we're going to walk through a demo and briefly introduce how to use Number Analyzer. This function is one of the most loved functions from customers in our Number Analytics website. There are three main benefits that our customers describe us when they talk about what they really love about Number Analytics. The first, we make statistical analysis even for those who have not been studying statistics such as regression analysis, chi-square tests, k-means clustering, etc. Second, you can move much faster. Our customers say that they can reduce their time spending on cleansing the dataset before they do the actual analysis. Number three, since the customer had reduced their time to prepare the data, they have more time to ask more questions about their analysis and get deep into it. Okay, let's get started. This is the data that we're going to look at today. It is a customer satisfaction data from the San Francisco airport in 2018. So here, every row in this dataset is the answers from one person who was asked about the overall satisfaction in the San Francisco airport. They were asked questions like, where you're heading to, what's your purpose of the travel, which transportation did you use to get to the airport, what's your overall satisfaction, how old are you, how much money do you make, what's your gender, etc. There were 18 questions to each customer. So you can simply look how data looks like by using Number Analyzer in Number Analytics website. This is the summary statistics for the satisfaction data. Here you can see the exact statistics without writing a single code. The number of observation, mean, median, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum will be given. From now on, there will be 18 frequency pie charts for these dataset. These are the 18 questions that we just talked about. Here, even though you didn't even write a single line of code, you can see the overview of each variable. You can easily see how many people chose which option and even the percentage of them simply by uploading the document. So you know, the first thing you want to do when you're looking at a new dataset is to get some feeling of how this dataset looks like. By doing this, you can get the appropriate sense of new data and their outputs. Moreover, if you hover your mouse cursor over each variable, you can see more information in detail very quickly, such as frequency and percentage. Okay, here is another function called Number Analyzer. By this analyzer, you can check all the continuous variable and categorical variable that you want and investigate those or find out their relationship just by clicking the names of variables. Let's see how it works. Let's say we're interested in two different variables and their relationship. We're going to click two categorical variables, which are purpose and age. So if you're interested in doing this in traditional statistical software, you really have to understand the structure of the data to choose your appropriate statistical test. So you have to know that the purpose is categorical and age is also a categorical variable. So you need to know that this is the combination of two categorical variables. Therefore, you have to do a chi-square test. That's just a test that you have to know or look up in a book or ask somebody. However, in Number Analytics, you just have to say, I'm interested in purpose of the travel and age of its customers. And I'm gonna click Next to see the relationship. Number Analytics will understand the structure of the data, run the appropriate statistical test, and interpret the result in plain English sentence. Here it says there is a strong, statistically significant relationship between purpose and age with 99.9% confidence level. This is a rigorously statistically driven sentence. This is done with 3 clicks. Now you can also see the correlation plot from these statistics. Here we can conduct another test with overall satisfaction and gender variable. You're going to get different output. It says there is no relationship between overall satisfaction and gender. As you can see the histogram, there's no such difference between female and male. Today we learn how to run Number Analyzer, which is one of our main functions in Number Analytics website. There are more tutorials with various kinds of functions in Number Analytics website. Please check out for further information. Hope to see you soon.